Many men often approach intimacy without a clear map, relying on repetitive routines that consistently miss the mark. This chart highlights the biological reality behind those failed routines. Only about 25% of women can reach climax through penetration alone. The remaining 75%, the vast majority, require clitoral stimulation or a combination of techniques. Their physiological needs follow a different blueprint. Relying on standard mechanical cycles ignores these biological facts and leads to predictable frustration. Moving beyond the physical requires a shift in perspective. The brain serves as the primary organ of female pleasure. An occupied mind acts as a chemical and mental roadblock. Stress and daily distractions can effectively shut down the body's ability to respond to touch. Success requires a deliberate effort to create an atmosphere that clears away these mental barriers before physical contact begins. Without securing her mind and bringing her into the present moment, physical efforts rarely achieve their intended result. With the mental foundation set, the focus shifts to the physical landscape, requiring a patient and deliberate mapping of her anatomy. The epicenter of this map is the clitoris, a biological rarity designed for the sole purpose of pleasure. This diagram represents its immense sensory scale, housing over 8,000 nerve endings, double the density found in the male counterpart. Handling this level of sensitivity requires starting slow, exploring peripheral areas like the neck, ears, and inner thighs to build anticipation. This deliberate pacing transforms foreplay into the essential foundation of the entire experience. Masterful technique isn't a static performance. It is an adaptation based on her ongoing physical responses. Pay attention to specific physiological cues, such as shifting breathing patterns, involuntary moans, and subtle movements in body tension. While an amateur might rush forward, a skilled partner pauses, listens, and adjusts his rhythm based directly on these cues. True mastery exists in this dynamic dialogue, where every action synchronizes with her real-time physical reactions. Beyond the mechanics lies the most powerful catalyst for pleasure: emotional safety and deep connection. When a woman feels profoundly understood and safe, her body's physical response to touch becomes significantly more intense. This connection cannot be manufactured in the bedroom. It is built through daily interaction and making her feel desired in everyday life. Sustaining this requires an open, two-way channel of communication where desires and fantasies are shared without judgment. Ultimately, profound physical satisfaction follows a patient, curious, and deeply connected mastery of mind, body, and emotions.